Hello, everyone. Professor Green here. So I'm hearing a lot of you tell me about how um, it's difficult to plan as you're kind of taking over your classes, and it is time consuming. And it's something you just kind of go through. But I promise you, you'll get better and better at it, and you'll be able to identify strategies that work. You'll know how long they take, how to implement them, and what materials you need. So it just takes time and practice. But I have something to share with you that I think can help you. Now, you've probably heard of AI and ChatGPT, and it's really something that we do need to know for our older students. And I've kind of been talking about this, but I want to show you what it could do to help you in terms of planning. All right, so it's free to log in for now, anyway. So let's say you need a lesson on books for pre-K. So create a 30-minute lesson plan for pre-K about books. All right, so here we go, and you see that it's immediately giving me a lesson plan. All right, and not only that, but it starts to break down. It should start to break down, yes, by minutes, so you know. And I really suggest teaching with the timer or whatever stopwatch, something that helps you kind of stay on track. Obviously, if it takes 6 minutes, okay, or 3 minutes, that's fine. But it helps you doing that helps you pace your lessons, which is I'm sure you're finding out very difficult. Pacing meaning you have 45 minutes to teach a subject. So what do you do in that 45 minutes? So this will help you with pacing. All right, now let's do another one. Create a lesson plan for fourth graders, 1 hour, 1 hour about, I don't know, extreme weather. Let's see how long this takes. So there we go. Boom. And you see, I mean, that is real time right now. It's spitting this out. Um, and I see, as we're looking at this, I've done this for, I've practiced with ChatGPT on lessons and to see how it could help. But if you look at the objective to educate fourth graders about, different types of extreme weather. So educate is not a word that I would use in an objective. So it's not perfect, is what I'm trying to say to you. But it is like an outline. It gives you a place to start. And obviously, it's artificial intelligence, so it doesn't know your students like you do. You might see something and say, "Man, that would not work with my group." But it'll give you an idea of how to make an even. It's pretty interactive too. It's like they present their posters, they're making posters, so there's a lot going on that you might want to use, some that you will not want to use. The idea is not to like just print this off and then say my lesson planning's done, although it's tempting, right? But yeah, you can't do that because this AI is only as good as what you put into it. It doesn't know your students like you do. So you can take this as an outline and then transfer it into your own plan. So I hope this is helpful, and this is an example of using ChatGPT for good. Thank you.